Okay. Guys, we'll trouble the Challenger no brake system. No brake system.
No brake pressure.
No pressure.
So you can see guys, there's no pressure.
Sure.
Even if you fully even if you fully press the brake.
Chris.
Guys, this is the Challenger. Guys, this is my chief mechanic.
No pressure, guys. No pressure. The brake system is no pressures. And
The brake system has no pressure, but he said is full pressure, over pressure.
the next step, I will pull out the
As you can see guys, Sakuragi is behind me. That one, Sakuragi is behind my back. That's one. That is Sakuragi.
Lock mo this one mo. Pagbulat sa pressure. Tawagin daw si Juan Prebe. Sampre. Eh, chat yung sampre.
Okay. Guys, bonjour.